Hello everybody and welcome back to the Techist Magician. Today we are diving into a detailed review of the 13 Pro Max, one of the Apple's latest flagships. Is it still worth? Let's find out in the video. First of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. The iPhone 13 Pro Max retains the sleek premium design we have come to expect that from the Apple actually. It features a surgical grade stainless steel frame, textured matte glass back and ceramic shield front cover. It's available in 4 stunning colors. And the display is one of the standout features. It has a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology and a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate makes everything from scrolling to gaming incredibly smooth and responsive. Plus with that 1000 nits of brightness, it is perfect for outdoor use. The 13 Pro Max is powered by the A15 Bionic chipset. That is a 5nm chipset, a powerhouse delivering significant boost in performance and efficiency. Whether you are multitasking, gaming or using intensive apps, this phone handles all with ease. And one of the most exciting new features in this photographic styles is that it allows to customize and look your photos in real time. And for video enthusiasts, the new cinematic mode brings professional level focus transitions, adding a whole new dimension to your videos. To unlock the iPhone 13 Pro Max, it has an excellent and very secure Face ID which is quite fast and brilliant and very secure actually. And now let's check them in a real world performance and optimization test. Let's start with Google. As you can see, it is absolutely smooth. Next, Chrome. You can see that being absolutely quick and smooth. Next up, YouTube. As you can see that. Let's go to Google Earth. It has a 120Hz refresh rate, having that ProMotion technology feature, which is absolutely smooth and animating. It is absolutely smooth. As you can see that. Let's go to Netflix. As you can see, it's very quick. Next up, Facebook. Let's check Maps. As you can see, it's very quick. Next up, Pinterest. As you can see it. Let's check Spotify. As you can see, it is absolutely smooth and quick. Next up, TikTok. As you can see that. Now let's head to the gaming section and let's see how it handles today's demanding tasks. Let's check Roblox. Let's go to Angry Birds. As you can see, it absolutely being quick, handling today's hard games easily. Let's check Subway Surfers. As you can see that. Let's go to Mario Run. You can see that being absolutely quick. Next up, Candy Crush. As you can see it. Let's go to Hill Climb Racing. See it being absolutely quick and smooth. Let's check Temple Run 2, final game, and you can see it's easily quicker. As you can see that. Absolutely smooth. Let's check some RAM optimization now. The battery life is an exceptional feature in the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Having a larger battery and efficient A15 chipset, you can expect almost up to 28 hours of video playback. It's perfect for power users who need their phone to last all day and beyond. The iPhone 13 Pro Max offers a seamless and intuitive user experience. New users like Focus Mode, Live Text and Enhanced FaceTime make it even more versatile and user-friendly. In the conclusion, the iPhone 13 Pro Max is a top-tier smartphone that excels in every aspect, from its stunning display and powerful performance to the versatile camera system and excellent battery life. It is designed to impress. If you are in the market for a new flagship phone, the iPhone 13 Pro Max should definitely be on your list. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews.